Hello everyone, this is Luciana with Uchis Design and our new animation stamps and die cuts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a small animation envelope using our new animation die cuts and stamps. First, we're going to start by cutting the envelope with the main die cut. Make sure that you crease all the folding lines so when you close your envelope, the animation works the best. The animation works best when the animation grid is flush against the animation stamped image. So using a thinner scrapbook paper works better than using a thicker cardstock. Now for the front window, you can choose the circle or the square die cut. Make sure you center your die cut so when you fold the flaps, they don't show through the window. Then I'm using both circle die cuts to create the frame for the window. After we glue our frame, we're ready to glue the grid. Measure your grid and cut it to size. When you glue your grid, you gotta make sure that the lines of the grid stay straight because it's very important for the animation that the grid coordinates with the vertical lines of the stamped image. Once we finish our envelope, we have two options. We can use this die cut to cut a semicircle, so it's easier for us to grab our card and pull it in and out. The die cut only cuts the half a circle shape. You can see in this card how it looks once you die cut, and then you can pull in and out and see your animation. Another option is to create a card that has a pull tab, so it's easier for us to move the animation card in and out. To make your card, make a rectangle that is 4 1/8 by 2 1/8 inch, so you have a guide where to place your die cuts. I like to secure my die cuts with some tape to make sure that when I'm die cutting, they stay straight. Place them inside your lines and then go ahead and die cut. So once you die cut, follow your guides with the scissors and connect the two die cutted parts together. I do the same thing with the top because I'm missing a little part right there on the top just to connect with the finished part of the second die cut. Then go ahead and try it inside your envelope to see if it slides smoothly. To finish your pull tab, you can use the next die cut so you can use a coordinating paper for your project. Now, to stamp your animation stamp, it's very important that you keep your stamp straight so the lines of the stamp coordinate and correspond with the animation grid. To do that, I place my stamp on the acetate and use the image as a reference to make sure that the lines are matching. Then I put it back on my table and I pick it up straight with my block so that way I'm sure that I'm stamping straight. You can also use your stamp positioner for this because you can put your stamp straight, try it out on a piece of paper with your grid, and then stamp in your final project. And here's your final animation envelope. What we love about this project is that you can use it as it is in your planners, or you can use it in your scrapbook layouts as an interactive and fun element. I hope you have a lot of fun watching your stamps come to life. Thank you so much for watching.